I'm blonde again.
You got potential. You got potential. You got.
So Blondie is from Yolissa Hair, and y'all, I was fully prepared to tone the wig and do all this stuff, but to my surprise, the wig already came pre-made with curls, so I'm just gonna roll with it. The bag also came with some other goodies. You guys know the dealio, all of that. But y'all, the real star of the show is this wig. Like, first of all, it's HD lace, and you're not gonna see any frays, but it is HD lace. 13 by 4, 24 inches. And y'all, this thing came with curls, like, and they're so pretty. And y'all, I'm recording this voiceover like the third day I've had this wig installed, and the curls are still here, y'all. But look at this. Like, I was gonna install it the day after because I was gonna tone it that night and then install it the next day, which was yesterday. But I was like, girl, I'm about to just install this right now. And I got right to it, baby, because I knew it was gonna be a hit. I love 613 wigs because the lace is just so HD. It's like no other. Like, no other wig lace is as good as 613. I don't know what it is about this 613. Even in movies, like in Game of Thrones, Daenerys was always wearing the 613 wig. I could tell when the wig was getting a little crusty, but for the most part, the wig was never crusty. Even me, I was in Nigeria this past December, walking up and down in that Nigerian heat, and I had that blonde wig. That thing did not move, and it didn't look crusty, y'all. This guy told me that he thought it was my natural hair, and then he saw me again with it, and he said, oh, you have the natural hair out again. I was like, what? But y'all, that's the power of the blonde, okay? And the blonde hair just be making me feel like I'm a whole new person. Like, I have a whole new persona. Y'all, I love a good blonde moment. And I definitely don't think that this like tone is the best for me, but I wanted to install this wig right out the pack. So we're just gonna roll with it. I'm probably gonna do like a part 2 to this, or like a get ready with me, and I'm gonna tone this and do like a different style with it. So be on the lookout for that.
You don't wanna leave me, but I'm trying to self-discover.
Are you seeing this lace? Like, are you seeing this? Yeah, I just don't even know. Last time I had the blonde hair, there were like some haters in the comments, and I actually was not expecting for there to be haters, because I was just thinking like, what is there to hate on? Like, I'm just doing me. Like, I'm just rocking that blonde and I'm looking so damn good in it. But it was really people being mean in the comments. But y'all, you see right here, I started picking at the lace because it looked like there was some glue spillage, and then I kept pulling and pulling and peeling and peeling until I finally just peeled the whole thing off, and I literally just had to like redo it. Like, why did I just... Now I'm about to try to like fix it. I literally just did not need to do any of those things. Like, you know, watching yourself do stupid stuff is so funny. But anyway, I fixed it, and now we gotta let our hair down. Rapunzel, let your hair down. Yeah, it's giving Rapunzel. But y'all better not be in my commentating this time, because look how good I look with the makeup on. Baby, this is my natural hair. Like, how can you even talk mess about my natural hair that literally grows out of my scalp? I actually don't know what to say. Like, you talking shit about my natural hair? I don't know what to tell you. You just sound like a hater.
Just cut the rubbish, then I might be
so pretty. Like the curls are really curling. And like I said, this is my third day with this wig that I'm filming this voiceover that you guys are hearing right now. The curls are still there. I don't know. But I'm really gonna let y'all just appreciate this wig, this moment, and this look, because look at it. All the information to the wig will be in my description. Direct link to the wig, everything. Check it out if you're interested. And I better not see nobody trying to hate in the comments, because this is, like I said, my natural hair. Like, what do you want me to do?